Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can change your Tinder age and explain why it's a bit tricky. So Tinder does not let you change your age from within the app, even if you tap on your profile icon and then tap on complete profile. You'll notice there's no option to update your age. That's because the age you entered when you created your account is considered permanent. The only way to change your Tinder account is by deleting your current account and creating a new one with the correct birth date. But be warned, deleting your account will also erase your matches, chats, and any premium subscription tied to it. So if you still like to delete your Tinder account, tap on this profile icon, then tap on settings icon. Scroll below, then you want to go ahead and simply tap on delete account, then tap on delete account again. Just like that, you want to go ahead and simply give the reason and then tap on delete my account. Once you have deleted your account, go ahead and simply reinstall Tinder and then create a new profile, this time using the correct birth date. And that's it. That's the only working method in 2025 to change your age on Tinder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.